Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Proudly brought to you by Proscol Electrical and Solar Energies. Proscol, edume ngakho vele various things, ama-solar panels, inverters, ama-battery, lithium, konke. If you want anything to do with anything electrical, you'll find it at Prascol Electrical and Solar Energy, based right here in Guabulawayo, between 14th and 15th Avenue along JMN Street. Kanye office banje uzafaka lapha na? Uzafaka lapha ishop yabo uthi shop number bani uzafaka lapha all details. Prascol Electrical and Solar Energies, and powered by, you see, hey, everyone is looking, but uthi ngithi beautiful. Zona kuthiwa gorgeous. Smart.
Pretty.
Smart.
We're feeling lucky.
Feeling like
We're feeling lucky.
powered by Lucky Bets. Lucky Bets. .co.zw, so you'll find every information, and please remember to kindly subscribe or register with Lucky Bets and become a Lucky Bets independent Panther. Yeah, and become a lucky. And also Lucky Bets is running a promotion. Angazi umbe seyabona njengoba ibhora selidura kangaka. Let me read it out. Try raise the red box. Raise the red box. It's in partnership with, Lucky Bets also sponsors the team yako, which is Chicken In. So the promotion is called Raise the Red Box with Lucky Bets, whereby the concept goes like this. Raise the Red Box is all about showing your support for your team while enjoying your favorite meal, Chicken In. It's a fun, fan-driven competition that rewards you for being part of the match day vibe. So how then do you enter? It's you buy your meal, that's a Chicken In meal. You grab a two-piece meal or any meal that is more than $3 from any Chicken In outlet. Then you attend any Chicken In FC game at the stadium. Snap your selfie. So you take your selfie holding your red box during the match. You should be creative, be loud, show your team spirit. You post, then upload your picture on social media and tag Chicken In FC, and Lucky Bets. There are so many different prizes that you can win. You can win Chicken In meal vouchers. You can win free bets from Lucky Bets. I think i-competition le sifuna abantu abambe ebhoreni manje njoba is-problem abantu abahambi izolo beliba ngayi nje.
Angikwazi ukuba
Please, we encourage everyone to go to the stadium to enter this competition. That's how you enter this competition. You should be at the stadium. If I won't repeat this information, but I think the guys will put it by far means that they'll put it right here on the screen. And also there are some goodies that we as the podcast will give away courtesy of Lucky Bets as well. You see, we're wearing capes, some t-shirts, our Lucky Bets. So if you register with Lucky Bets, then during the course of this show we'll ask a few questions pertaining to Lucky Bets. If you get the question right, we'll give away. Then uzasifayela khona phana ku-comment section esizakubuza during the course of this show. So because kuningi kulama-key holder, kulamakepesi, kulama-t-shirt, kulamamagi, kulama-free bets. It's too much. It's courtesy of Lucky Bets. Anyway, let's get the show on the road, gents. Masudu,
Mna mnandi.
Grand Pram,
Mnandi mntana.
ibinjani Easter?
East bimnandi mntana.
Hambile church?
Church yakuhambeki mntana. Besihambe kuyadraw mntana.
Awuhambile church?
Ya thina singaba draw specialist mntana. Sifuna iBarcelona.
Butho?
Kiwa,
Uyiswi?
I'm right.
Umfundisi.
Kakhulu.
Bengifuna ukubiza ke linye usavereza ajala ukubiza but akuye ngizithi ngubize kaloku usho.
I know.
How was Easter?
We're feeling blessed as well. Sibusiswe kakhulu.
Awusishaye ngevesi one encema masuthi ngagcine siyecheche.
No, Jesu sevukile yaphela.
Uncema masuthi ngagcine siyecheche. Uhambile Brome Church savereza.
Mina nje walapha engisebenzela khona bewama-church wodwa.
So wena vele Easter
Easter yonke
udlale emnandi.
bengisema-church.
So to anyone who celebrates Easter, because abanye ba celebrate. Anyone who celebrates Easter, we hope you had a lovely Easter. But there were some unfortunate incidences, gents, during ama Easter festivities, whereby we saw umjuru elahlekelwa imuli yakhe yonke.
Yeah.
Lokana there's also umawabe ni 7 labana ama-fans e-Highlanders. We say condolences to the families, Highlanders Football Club, every soccer fraternity. Silahlekelwe sidatshwe ngabantu abade besupport ibhora lapho, especially mawabe ni 7 abanye bahlala eSoweto labo Masudu balahleka ngesikhathi bevela bokele i-Highlander idraw le game
The platinum.
i-platinum e-BA for that day.
Yeah, kubuhlungu kana because azibekumnandi ukuthi nxa lihlohle ground usho iBF ithule isilicwaka ithuliswa ligobhora ikonti uzibona iBF ithule because ikhala inyembezi. Akukho mnandi kubuhlungu kakhulu, especially I still remember ekubhubheni kalo umfana lo bedlala iSimbabwe or something owabulwa i-accident of Oswele Gwerapana. Sike sakhuluma ngakho ukuthi khona let's try to be responsible emgwaqweni. Speed isiyachaza but it kills as well, and we have lost so many good people, so many families, so many promising futures because of these accidents. But nonetheless okwenzakele sidabukile. Again from us here at Up 3 Events, the podcast Pass and Move, we are sending our deepest condolences to the Mjuru family, to the Boso family, the bereaved members. Sithi lingalahli ithemba, uNkulunkulu yazi akwenzayo konke kuhlelwa isikhathi sikaNkulunkulu. Akulanto esingayenza ngaphandle kweplani kaNkulunkulu. uSathane ngacabanga ukuthi unqobile, but yonke into it works for good to those who are called to by his purpose. So lingalahli ithemba, just find comfort and peace in the Lord, and we move on with life. We hope God has got something better for us in store.
Those who are doubting ukuthi ungumfundisi mbonani mbona kade sebevuma lo walahla ubizo la wangumfundisi wena walahla lamavesi mbona ngcese kakhulu.
No, angokhohlwanga like mina ngenkinga when it comes to Easter anjo like ukuthi abafundisi maybe they are baba comfortable kakhulu when it comes to Easter kwachitheka igazi, so the devil will try by all means to use that kuchitheka igazi uyabona. So you must bind that spirit ukuthi ungathanazela most of the Easter amaningi abantu besambu celebrate abantu bayafa kuyachitheka igazi. So please try to pray ukuthi this Easter that thing must be cancelled, that thing must be ukuthi vele ingabi khona. Look at now we lost ama Highlanders fans just because ukuthi it was an Easter, something that you must be celebrated, but sagcina sokuyisoro like. So we must pray for that ukuthi let us not relax. Why least there is uNkulunkulu, there is the devil also, and he will try to arise. Bheka manje we lost everything.
Yeah, khona asosikhathi esimnandi savereza ukuthi silahlekile, especially ngabanye abantu ode sibazi, even though umuntu uyabongamazi, but ukulahlekilwa khona kubuhlungu. But anyway, angazi ngibufuna ukuphosa la 1 or 2 ukhothela ivesi kumbe yakunowa kumbe
ngila mazwi amaningi angila mazwi amaningi, but hayi mina engakutsho ukuthi umlando ususale thina esisele siphila to continue with the football legacy yabo laba labade benjani beyiqhubha khona sibili intando kaMlimo ayikho mnandi kwezinye izikhathi, but akukho emandleni ethu na ukuthi indlela dokuthiwa uzahamba ngayo sebehambe ngayo, but thina kumele siqhubeke ngempilo, life goes on.
Anyway, gents, last week sikhulume ngama under 15 ukuthi tournament iqalisile izolo during ama Easter holidays. Ngibone i-opening ceremony yama under 15 eyenzelwe lapha ne-Gateway High School. That is i-CAF schools under 15. Then during that process ama-team ayenza ama-line-up lapha belokhu ngibona abanye abantu kuma-socials bekhala ukuthi "Hayi, kanti under 15 ngumuntu ongakanani." Kungabe kule cheating or ilokhuyana ukuthi abanye abantwana vele naturally bayakhula kakhulu ukudlula abanye, especially unga-check-a, but mina i-worry yami bekungabafana beZambia. I think ngizasendela umenzi enye lo menzi vele la umncane kakhulu nxa ngimcheckile under 15 lana babesithi ngumfana omncane, but awumasudi umncane nje. So angazi ukuthi ikukhula kwabanye abantwana kwamanye ama-countries kakhulu, or i-CAF iyayenza yini MRI scan liyana to detect ukuthi umuntu lo ungakanani proper, or the trust ama-associations amazwe nala ukuthi nxa kungama-tournaments ama-juniors babisa the rightful age, or kulokunye behind. Angazi ukuthi umbuzo wami, I think it's in 3 parts. Sihle siwuthagle khona basekunanzeleni. Menzi ngizakusendela uBoys weZambia, ngeke ngithi uBoys umdala lwana according to me.
I want to believe ukuthi khona each and every competition, especially with the regard of age limits, anything which says under what, before they begin, they verify ukuthi khona are these people eligible for this competition or not.
Who verifies?
The people are supposed to be selected to do that.
The association like iZIFA, or you mean iCAF yona? Because I don't think
the organizers of the competition obviously they have to.
Because most of the times yazi umbuzo lo ngibuza kukhalwa during i-tournament ukuthi ayi lo ngani umdala, then uzokuthiwa kuyenziwa ama-test later on. That's why mbuzo umbuzo nalo.
Yeah, because inthe khona ngifuna ukukholwa ukuthi that's what they do. But nonetheless konke sokwenzakele kule sidingeko sokuthi khona as a nation or as a participating country lina lizihlole ngokwenu, just do a proper introspection of yourselves ukuthi are we being sincere or fair enough to ourselves by sending the right candidates who are eligible for the competition. Because by so doing nxa ungathumeza umuntu omdala ku-competition awuqile omunye umuntu uyaziqila wena ngoba uzibulaleli elakusasa lakho, ufaka umfana ongafanelanga ukuthi abesendaweni efaneleyo. Then bese ngiphinda ngibuyele futhi on another note ukuthi sometimes abanye abantwana bayakhula sibili bebe lezidumbu ezinkulu ikakhulu, but mostly kithi eZimbabwe kuvame emankazaneni kumbona sithi ngathi ule 10 years ule 20 years 20 years umuntu ongaka ngathi ule 30, but kungayisi ukuthi cha kuyindlela adalwe ngayo, but akuyenzi ukuthi i-team yonke or maybe 3/4 of the team ibe le situation efana nayo. So kuya kufuna kube labanye abangani bathi then sibe lama scenarios 1 or 2, it will be understandable, but nxa ukuthi khona abaqilile babe ziqile bona bodwa.
Uvumelana la Sutman?
Yeah, mina ngibona this tournament is for developing and grooming. So if bona babe letha abantu abakhulu be cheater, then at the end of the day babe zibulala bona. Yabona, there is a thing andiqala ukukhuluma ngeBhayibheli esho ukuthi kulezinye izinto ezikhangana ezinhle mawuzibona kanti ziyabulala. Yabona, sometimes ungathi uyabusenza the good thing but kusikhathi kubulale, like you had ulethe umuntu le-21 years kuma 15 years. Yabo,
Awona sele 20 besiyambia.
yabo, cause like ithambo lomuntu, iface yomuntu abeshushu, but lo muntu angeke bele 14 years, yabo, but lobu sumfaka. What about those young ones? Cause we are building for the future. Yabo, subulala laba abafana laba abancane. So like asingazi, maybe mina ngiyake ngisho ukuthi sometimes kuya ngokuthi omunye umuntu angeke ufanise umntwana odla umfusha lo mntwana odla ispaghetti. Umntwana odla ispaghetti uyakhula mnandi wathi ngoba uyabethola yabo. sometimes you are told yeah maybe singamsola maybe sithi iyachita hayi ngabantwana bamaspaghetti ama-cheese boy.
karuthina umfushi uyabezwela
Umfushi uyawenza udwafe uyawenza ube yikho ungathatha inkomo yakhaya nenkomo serious umfushi uyawenza udwafe
hayi
ube
akulanto
yidwafu.
njalo Jay
ube yinoti.
hayi
ama-
mina nyala
nutrients wonke.
ulokubona kwesikhathi zekhaya uyayibona iboys yakhona ukuthi even imfitshane but yabe inethambo lokhana suka kuyi ngomuntu yini
kuya ngabantu but i-problem ukuthi we don't know i-criteria iZambia ayisebenzisayo cause
asezambia yodwa even ngiyabona enye e-Uganda
yeah,
enye
but vele abantu labana bona they are heavily built vele abantu banga but ukuthi eZambia kube lamabhawu wodwa soyani yikho sokunjani osokusimangalisa cause even wona ngeke ngakhangela ku page yabo yefazi yabo eZambia people are not happy
yabo
nge-selection criteria yankhona lakhona ukuthi labo bathi maybe age cheating bona ama-Zambians
lami ngizolile savereza kutshela
cause abantu bangikhona khangathi bakhulu kumbe njani but sometimes anti akwathi ibhora lidlalwa ngomzimba liyadlalwa ngenyawo noma bezaba le-advantage yebhodi but bakwanisa ukuthi beve ngamabhawu omdaka nje angelanceda
ndoda kulabanye bahle bachawa 6 awubona ama-results ayizona kulabanye bahle bachawa 6 level biyela bafana
Bechawa izakora.
manje iZimbabwe could see abafana beZimbabwe ukuthi no but lokho mfana kuncane lokho le even ikit because umuntu gents
Yabile.
okunye asibeni honest umfana ole 14 years alungakanani madoda asibeni honest kwesinye isikhathi
maybe ukuthi abezimbabwe phela ngo-cheese boy anti awazi ngabantu abama-private school labo esikhuluma ngawo
but even though majens umfana ole 14 years ungaziwe anywhere in the world umfana ole 14 years savereza umfana nabela bengamisa lawon
abantu baqhakika abantu bebeqhakikile bebebade bephinde bebe lo mzimba
14
it doesn't matter.
mina lingixolile sibili ku comment section but
That's the same thing esikhala ngayo lathi eZimbabwe ukuthi ilokhu zen team selection is the same thing abakhala ngayo futhi eZambia ukuthi sometimes they don't do it with properly ukwenza ukuthi abantu bale mali belungise emuva ngale beyehlisa iminyaka and so forth yonke into yenziwe njalo but ungasenani
kulamanye abahle bachawa 6
cause
6 note ngoba oboys ebe ngumfana 8 umfana ole because ungacheka savereza kuhle proper matches sonke nini la asicheke nini abafana bale 14 years kuhle you'll find ukuthi mepengce bafanele abangu 20 engani ilomzimba but la uyibona iface yakuthi but le iface phela yacebeni
Njalo physics uyaspana bo. Sithi uma ungangenisa gora lezana mazithi ithakile lo boys ziyawufuqela kanjani le. Yikho be winner 6. Ngoba kabe kuyisagora.
yabona nje ukuthi hayi indoda le
but ingane abalinganayo abatshana ama-607
lokho akuphikisa
esikoleni sometimes doesn't determine age it determines ukwanisa kwabafana
But umfiziki
masesibuya ezikwadini nani mina yiko sithi amfuni ubangani but laba
the
lingcolile
same way nesasichinga ngayo sithi baselect i-Harare select labo bachinga kuthiwa iLusaka select layo maybe abantu labana vele they were groomed bebancane yikho they were trained maybe specially vele for ukuthi kube age group e1 bekhule benjani asazi ukuthi nje
proper foods
abanye
sinje so singadla ukudla
Maybe
okufana naye
ngama-cutting
abanye
or
bayavunywa ukudla lokhana abanye benze njani but I see ukuthi khona I'm justifying ukuthi khona the age is okay. I'm just saying ukuthi khona because lapha we are all assuming but taking all the possibilities we have to look at both sides of the coin. Nxa ukuthi abaqilanga it's fine. Nxa ukuthi baqilile baziqilile sizabona kuphethelene and futhi ibhora la John Cena into efuse sibeyazo nale ukuthi ibhora lapha liyakwanisa ukudliwa lile abantu abaqinileyo abaqhwakekileyo abanjalo but kungasenani we always preach this ukuthi khona we need the spirit of fairness ebhoreni. Let's be fair and let the best team win. Singazama ukuziqiluza sithole enye team ithi win wedle kunye because of ukuqila ukuthenga oref ukwenza njani and so forth manipulating ama results ngendlela ezitshiyeneyo kusiyawina court nje eMorocco.
but so far I'm happy with the performance yeZimba is it draw 2 games badrawile izolo badrawile namhlex before singena kushoot bese badrawile DRC 1-1 then opener badrawile ngabafana labo badrawile DRC then amankazana adrawile Morocco 2-2 izolo. So ngama results engotholile so far for izima as you consider so far I'm happy nge-performance.
The funny thing is that you are happy ama-draw awe-Zimbabwe, but you're not happy about ama-draw team yakho.
No, uyakwazi why JD is under 15. You know why I'm saying I'm happy? I'm under 15 and ngincamba bakhangela abafana bana ngotugununu ngobafana ngikhayela ama opponents abadlala lawo because ngithe check even line up eUganda you could tell ukuthi lapha siyabulawa but the boys stood their
Yeah,
own.
they've got a proper motivation, the likes of O8 Sadomba, Ezra Mnyandoro, and someone in Babone Bekona la support abafana. So now when one of those big names behind you, you can have the motivation even regardless of height and physique. And the result itself, a draw, it's always a good result. It is spite our program being a draw right. Sometimes sometimes you need that.
It's kind of weird about
Sometimes you need that.
That is it. I wanna. They played well, but it draw. I wanna. Yeah, it's good, but me angeni ku-Spirit Islanders because sometimes it draw is not into ekhangelelweyo. Because abadlale but bewine bengangeni ku-Spirit Islanders ukuthi always vele uzu accept ukuthi draw is right. Draw is not right. Akula muntu olandu kuya draw abafethu.
You know that in 2016, if I'm not making a mistake, Portugal yawina i-Euro iqale ngama-draws kuma-groups 3 draws there's their win.
but ungamuzwa usho ukuthi ingakuchazi.
I-draw amelanga uchaze i-draw ukuthi hayi kungcono abasihlohlanga abasiwinanga yabo abasidlanga because the time udraw kula wena bawinayo. You understand? Eboreni akula muntu ohamba isiyadraw yabo uhamba siyawina so lingachazwa i-draw ukuthi thina sihambe siyadraw liyagcina linjenge team mina la.
So then in moving on sesiya kwabawinayo kadizi ama Warriors wabonile i-Foundations awina kutshintsha face kanti why Jens lingekho happy even singakangeni kwe-shoot belingekho happy ngewini ama Warriors wina i-Foundations why
Ukuthi baba bahlasele lapha ukuthi yabona iZambia eqinisweni anti sithona silibhasha lihlohlo iZambia sayibona sidlala eArgentina okuyibhilo ka kwakuyihlasela iZimbabwe sawina ngokulambisa nje sawina ngokulambisa lapha that team played better exactly but that team played better than Zimbabwe so okuyibhilo kana baba kwakuyihlasela iZimbabwe
played better but Zimbabwe win trophy at the end of the day.
Hayi uma ukhuluma wena sikhuluma ngeZimbabwe ehlangeneyo yabona
Sabereza kazulu thino ochobela abafuna ukuvuma ukuthi at the end of the day Zimbabwe won i-4 nations.
But mina what I can say ukuthi thina vele sonke lapha sasiyazi result because iZimbabwe yona used i-best squad yawo while list ama teams lawana bona babe tester especially Zambia used ama local players then Zimbabwe yona ile foreign legion then the so lapha bona vele babele upper end go wonke ama games.
That's my point exactly. At least imagine ngabe sadliwa sile foreign contingent yonke to ABZ khona at least 1 or 2 3 ama foreigners awethu abuyanga but isquad ngokuyi proper ngokuyise esesidlale ku-AFCON esithenjwe but sawina.
Right of our at least because lapha besimele kahle according to iZimbabwe ngeselect yayo ngokuthi i-foreign based idlala leZambia kumbe ngoC kumbe ngoD ibimeli win iZimbabwe wena nje kuSabotswana ushaya 3 yanje but yakora nge-on goal hayi pressure la siyali ku-final yakora nge-on goal but thina so far sathi hayi we are happy but so score lesikhangelele lesana for
ufune iArgentina ishaye Zambia 5 lawo iZimbabwe kwamele idle Zambia 5
iZimbabwe ayimele lapha vele ivandalize ngoba yona idlala ama foreign based ayimele ivandalize but no iZambia yayisikhulela if you watched must tell my viewers if you watch that football that game iZimbabwe okuyiZambia bekusikhulila.
But at the end of the day, kwawuqathele you
It's a win.
win.
Uwina nga.
Let's learn to appreciate izinto ezinjalo ezinhle.
ivuliso le eduze
Right.
nga lithi so thank you
Right, let's-
Ibize futhi. Ibize futhi
Right, let's be truthful enough. Ukuwina sawina
thank you
angithi.
thank you
Siyakujabulela siyakubongela ukuthi wina sawina. But nxa kusenziwa i-postmortem akutshintshi ukuthi umuntu usefile.
never
Umuntu usefile but i-postmortem is to be done. So lingavali uMasudu ekhuluma ipoint yakhe ukuthi khona iZimbabwe ayidlalanga kuhle. Akayananga ipoint ukuthi iZimbabwe yawina. But i-postmortem isidinga the cause of death. Then isidinga futhi ama factors contributing towards the win. Bekuhamba njani sesifike kuwineni khona pha. Was it pleasing or not? Yikho ukukhulunywa ngoMasudu nasithi mvala. Ukuwina sawina siyathi.
asimvalanga
Sawina sibili but
wena usufuna ukuba diplomatic
I'm
but
not being diplomatic but I'm being honest enough. That win wena personally wedwa you won't be proud of. Uzayamukela because uwinile. Uzayamukela because at least even at least says that you are agreeing with what Masudu is saying.
At least.
lalela into engitshoyo ngithe ngabe thwa because eBhorini kuyenzakala nasi yayilenda yajoyisa iZimbabwe enalela ama foreign contingent kuyenzakala eBhorini ngabe iZimbabwe yadliwa iBotswana or iZambia iqine njalo kwakuzayangisa kakhulu yiko ngisithi at least yawina ngoba
Sasizathi babedakiwe yikho badliwa.
Going down the memory line sesikhuluma kwakungasoze ukuthi khona iZimbabwe yadliwa nguZambia B. Kwazothiwa iZimbabwe yadliwa nguZambia.
Yeah.
So akula nto
so
yangisayo.
iZimbabwe la yadla iZambia
So akula nto yangisayo.
akula nto yangisayo
Cause laphana
nansi enye ipoint
ya but kodwa inkinga eyaba khona nje ukuthi as much as zidlala lapha ubukwazi ukuthi iZambia yona iyadlala eArgentina kube kuthiwa hayi iZambia yenye yayizidlalile but the main Zambia yayidlala eArgentina yabo thina sadla leyi asikwazi kumbe ngo-D kumbe ngo-E kumbe ngo-F but sayidla injalo nje
But iZambia.
but iZambia but it's not the main Zambia.
amanda 23
Balungisa team yabo lana for
Balungisa i-team yabo.
for 2030. You see they've got a vision.
ngamanda 23
They've got a vision. And
nansi enye ipoint evulwa nguZavereza uthi babedayi we also that abula mntu ongabona
Babedakiwe.
wayedakiwe.
Hayi.
because umuntu wasuspendwayo wayedakiwe babengadakwanga.
Uhlezi ukhuluma ukuthi iqiniso liqiniso ibhathi kanjani? Ibhathi kalihlobo.
alabo hlezi ibhaji
Usuhlohla ibhathi. Esindebeleni sithi isela ngelinjani?
Ngelibanjiwe.
Kodwa ayisiki ukuthi amanye onkelana somani.
Othi umlilo wesela la lisela.
Exactly. Siphinde sithi othi umlilo wesela lani.
Lisela.
Wawuthi umlilo wesela bephuma ku video lapha. Then kwasokubanjwa iseleli lodwa.
Libanjwa ngani nge-evidence.
Nge-evidence ayisezandleni. Kwathiwa lisela but
Labana baye abanjwa ngoba babengalatshwana.
isiswa silama glass baba.
hayi umenze uzayifaka ivideo
Isisu-
kulamaglasa
Ya ngitsho isiswa silama glass ukuthi kubukhanya usongenene esiswini. Umuntu lona wabanjela into ayithwele esandleni wabanjela into phambi kwetafula kwakhe but abanye basebesiphile kudala baginya bengachaya amavidiyo because awuyiqedi imbodlela lana uyi1 eJemerson and mina nathi utshwala sibili but I want to believe awuyiqedi imbodlela lana uyi1 sebebuye ground sebedakiwe sebethuthusana kuyiZambia lokhana sithwale nzima kuyiZambia lokhana because bale bhabhalaza abantu labane ground
Chuthi ama-dance kaMsentami lawo ayedakiwe.
umuntu angagide unomali okhutha njengoba lokhana wena
alright asithi so gents kulama legends aphuma poster into lezi vele zenzakala but upostelana
That's embarrassing because awusozithi khona ngithi uMasudu ebotshelwe ku rap ngithi awuMasudu belo mnyama ngoba nje because mina nga rap kaningi azange mbanje. That's embarrassing.
But mina what I can tell you ngalapha ukuthi iZimbabwe ayisigcineni nokuwina. Bona baduba ku celebrate abasebele thaba kubi. Bona bathaba kubi. So sebeze ba incident leyana yayisingathi sifuna ukulokhuza ukuspoil success ababa la.
So you meaning to say ukuthi khona nxa u celebrator you have to celebrate illegally.
But mina abantu labana ngakhuluma one thing ukuthi ama international players azabuya but abantu labana nabebuya basuka babuya besithi balanda international break thina selibathatha lisiyabasebenzisa umuntu okubreak ubehave kanjani ibehavior yomuntu okubreak phela la
but nxa ukukempu lama-rules ofuze uwalandele uyaphuma omunye ilegend uthi khona thina sasinatha njalo sasisenza njalo sinatha after amagame esenegal nganatha who knows ukuthi khona wanatha after igame bawonathe before the game because ungananzelela ama-performances abo wonke nxa sesibekela way back during that time bedlala we couldn't even win any competition ngendlela e-right i-performance yabeground yayingahambelani lo muntu lale ndlela abayenza kanxa kuma-clubs abo because kwakusheka something like something else it means ukuthi babedlele bedlala bedakiwe bedlala ngenhliziyo zethu
the next thing uzathuna kambe bambi phena edaki eze bambi
exactly savereza exactly why umuntu ephuma ethi mina instead kubethwa ufaka ipoint ezwayo but ephuma ukuthi hayi laba ukuthi babanjiwe which means all along lifeyila ukuthi liprogress eze Zimbabwe belile bhabhalazo you know mawule bhabhalazo awuvuki baba so laba ngezindlela lama legend akhuluma ngathi ukuze sidlise laphana all along besidlisa just because ukuthi besidakiwe or besile bhabhalazo yabo so the statement was wrong because lani into vele it was wrong ngoba bebeseyadlala ifinal bebengakawini phela nothing to celebrate
uzobantu ukuthi kona kumangalezi vele lama legends ayekwenza which means we don't even understand the basic concept of football.
Why are you polishing the bad thing?
Exactly. Why umbathisa ubhanditshi ilokuzeni isilonda esingalatshwanga?
Because I think into le ngendlela eyenzakala ngayo ihle yanika umanager the security homework. Ukuthi side time they pull up their socks because into yangikhona vele yaya ngisilizwe
kakhulu
khathi sila ncabe ngasanathanga bengadliwa ngale next time like imi vele badakiwe ngingasakhulumeli komunye umuntu kimi badakiwe
but ngendlela esikukhuluma was it fair ukuthi besuspend u-teenage yedwa and u-teenage yena ngimthandela into eyi-one he owned up to i-mistake he apologized to the nation even after laphana sebesiyaphakamisa inkezo axolisa ama-Zimbabweans I made a mistake which is a good thing umuntu engenza imistake ebuye axolisa but labana abanye ke
yeah we do appreciate the fact that we are all human beings we make mistakes we make errors we appreciate that that is why ungizwa vele ngingakhulumi much about him ngikhuluma kakhulu about the legend ophuma sekhuluma sithi sasikwenza
question uma Sifa Chimeza lo George Mbwando embabonele
but they were speaking on behalf of others because wabedlala abantu abaningi
yes
but nonetheless what he did it was being man enough. As a man, that's the only thing esehle kuyenza most of the times when you are wrong to apologize. Nxa ungakhuluma ukuxolisa umuntu ngaze nga-accept your apology or whatever you've done your part. You have done your part, you have apologized. That is very important. And you have to man up and stand again apology yakho ulantshengisa for sure bengixolisa in the next camp don't drink. Utshengisa ukuthi uxolisile. In the next camp be the role model bathi abafana nami ngangasuspendwa indaba enje. I think that way it shows ukuthi he is a man enough.
Yeah, for Uhadebe is good, but amajoko asalela for captain. Captain da ube khona eRomaniana. Khona ka ukuthi ade kutsho it was kunzima ukuthi Uhadebe uyaqeda ibhodlela lana yethu. So la wathi kumele apologize sorry ndaba ngoba ibhodlela lanti ubungakayiqeda ticket ulokozene yethu of course wathatha into lena wa blame himself but esikwazi ukuthi ubenganathi yedwa of course obanjwa ele evidence nguye but ubenganathi yedwa for ubu captain anjo means leadership ucaptain ubemele exolisa sorry ngoba angikhuzanga lo mfana njani because abantu babona ubu captain uthi why yona captain ungazange kufanele ukuthi ube ngiclass monitor you failed to teacher to be class monitor ukuthi teacher mayengekho wena you are supposed to take care of that class but ubusubona umuntu esenza umsindo ubusithi onobusithula so for captain besicawunti uzatsho something for his captain
apologize okay
inkinga ka Mr Jameson ukuthi into leyana
sukuyibisa wenza njalo awuthile kanti
hayi Mr Jameson ukuthi into leyana
wayizuma bothi Jameson
wayenza phambi kwabantu embone ngathi all along abantu abanjabo umongameli Juma bebemkhangelela njenge role model.
Exactly.
And singakhayela uThina Kadebe is an international player, kadlali local.
Mm.
So kusasa abafana abancane labo they will think ukuthi
Into right.
unganathi utshwala uzaba successful or so.
Mm.
But into leyana, it was a bad example.
Mm.
O indlela okwaphuma sokungayo aku-inspire vele kwinto kwangikhona. Let's hope ukuthi kwaba a mistake engeke iphinde injani iyenzakala.
Akula gama lokho.
Akula grit, aspire straight. Akula passion.
Okay, Jesse, yakuzwa, but over and above all, I think we are all in agreement ukuthi si happy ukuthi iZimbabwe uMarius uphakamisa silver way. Abantu abakho happy silver just saphakamisa silver way. Come on guys, let's celebrate with the boys. iZimbabwe won 4 nations.
Yeah, but
At the end of the
I think
day.
ngabe thombe even umnetsi ayekhona maybe Zambia lana sasingayidla more than one on goal.
Kulama player amaningi kulenye play engi-identify leyo dala sihlala sikhuluma ngayo. I think sike sakhuluma ngayo some episodes, but it was just in passing ukuthi why are they overlooking him, but I think he has shown over some time ukuthi he's a quality player, and injini kwabahle problem and he is not being selected egodini. We've got a problem. Let's look at guys. Abantu bebekhala ukuthi sithatha most of the time on other issues, then asabaniki information ngama matches adlalileyo. This Easter holiday with a bumper of PSL action, Division 1 football. Let's look at starting with the PSL, ama matches that were played. Obviously, we will not we may not tackle them all, but there are major matches. We'll try and analyze it and ngendlela esiwabone ngayo, and I'm happy ukuthi most matches, especially ama teams no, uhambile Harare, uhambile eZushabane, wahamba eChawanda, wayibukela futhi eBF. So we'll like to look at those matches. Ongahamba ngamanika ebanika usahamba ngobuthuma ubuthatha imali echeche ubuthatha yomnikele. Okay, let's start with angazi ukuthi ama predictions laphana esasiwafakile. I think we got maybe over 60%, if I'm not mistaken. We got over 60% correct. Let's look at the matches that were played on Thursday, 2 April. Hunters drew with Lokuzen, Ikaripa 1-1. The match was played at Air Stadium. Then Dynamos guys played against Imoz. I think, to be honest, this is a team in form. Ngendlela abeqalise ngayo idliwa 5-0 eScotland ku-Super Cup, idliwa e-Islander ku-Jairus Jiri i-season opener. Abantu be-City Dynamos continue, but look at them guys. In brief nje, i-Dynamos esesiyibonile ngendlela edlala ngayo, and
it shows ukuthi khona uKhaku uyayazi into ayifunayo ku-Dynamos, because after the loss of 5-0 leyana open of the season ku-Super Cup, so many people looked Dynamos down and thought that they're going to be a laughing stock because babesanda futhi ukusuka kuzodliwa kulokuzeni ku-Jairus Jiri Cup ye-Islanders. And he said he has got some players I think are registered and so forth, and that it turns out now to be true. Abantu abaningi babesithi khona is just an excuse as a coach, but after that he has find a way to rectify ama errors ayo wabona, and he's grinding ama results. The game was at some point we thought that it's going to end as a draw, but they forced a goal and they get 3 points, which is very important. The performance sometimes may not matter much, but the result is the one which says all, because that's the one which carries 3 points back home. And they got those 3 points bit by bit up to the end. I think they're trying their level best, even though bathi bedrawale agama abantu baqalisa ukuthi siqale City Dynamos lana, but kungasenani ukuthi babedlala i-team ele-grit yabo.
uyibona njani i-Dynamos?
Mina I think okunye also contributed to ama wins e-Dynamos i-financial stability.
Thank you.
Isizamile sibili ukuthi be lama sponsor athe xaxa. and ngalezi zikhathi previous seasons sasesikwazi ama-players e-Dynamo sabe-strike kumbe ka-3 kumbe ka-4 but this time around ukuba le mali kuyanceda sibe
because I think igame emozi ngeza kuthiwa 5 pin winning bonus. Le Simba Bora bakudabulile futhi bathi 500.
So anti yabona ukuthi into enjalo i-motivation
And they're getting it.
they are getting it.
Bayithola.
So ngibathi into e-right yona leya abanye amathimu maybe ama-performance they are being affected ngendaba zemali lana.
And I think that's the best way ama-teams afuze kwenze ukuze bewine than ukuthenga oref. Motivate your players. Kuphela.
Then let's look at Scotland. Scotland ihamba ku tail 1. They won 3-2 igame lana tail 1. At some point we thought it's going to be a draw because yalita 1-0 ngoba 1-1, yalita 2-1 ngoba 2-2. Then last minute, I think about 85-87 minutes they scored the winner. Uyibona njani ngendlela eperforma ngayo so far and during this Easter holiday, both matches looking at tail 1 le izolo.
Scotland, like, to me, Scotland aso team esabisayo, and then Scotland kupoa one thing ukuthi like that day kuthe kuyi-2-2 abantu bathi obviously Scotland la kuzayenza something iyaphuma le lokwenzeni la kumbe lo ibhoro ongacaciwe and for sure la ungathiwa kuzuma ibhoro khona kwaphuma kunjalo yabona like last time sathi hayi no i-football iyabhowa like ukuthi mayingenza kwala la izolo antsho even that play nantsho
Ngithi wena usoleni kwe 3-2
ku-3-2 ngisole i-last goal yayo la ukuthi akucaci kumbe ukuthi asiyava antsho so sometimes you can see all ref must be paid enough to ngoba angeke uref abanjiswe maybe asitsho ayibanjiswe asithi mawuref ehola 180 umuntu ethi ngiyawunika 500 obviously vele uzanika iwina cause like kuyabhowa what I'm saying ukuthi kuyabhowa ukuthi kusokuyi-2-2 uzwe everybody sithi hayi vele iScotland izawina.
Remember sike sathi kule competition ye Lucky Bets asiqambi manga into ekhona is something that is going on. Lucky Bets is giving away nice goodies. Let me show you. I've got here bambala t-shirts, aman t-shirts ngihambize ngala t-shirts kunengi umdala ngimbambise othanda ukunathi ti.
Sike sizwe inkomitsho maybe yesayiphakamisa kuphela.
So this is what the Lucky Bets is giving away, guys. And silama key holder. So ungawina, we'll give you as a package kukonke. We'll give you a cap masudu. Karaza kuyenza competition. Also a key holder, a t-shirt, le mug. So here's the question, guys. Let's ubulalele. Phela kulabanye ababukela bengalaleli. So first and foremost, for you to get this, please listen attentively. Hey, teacher wami English ngakholisa njani. Sizwanchali. So register with Lucky Bets, huh? Screenshot. This is for those that haven't registered with Lucky Bets. Register with Lucky Bets. Screenshot. Ufake ku comment section. Register with Lucky Bets. Screenshot. Uchense that you have registered with Lucky Bets and send this screenshot khona ku lokuzeni. Go comment section. You might be a lucky winner of this package. If you have registered with Lucky Bets, answer this question: how many free spins do you get? How many free spins does Lucky Bets give you if you have registered? The last question that Buto said you want to ask as well. Want to know which chicken in? Lama mawala. But anyway, ask Buto, then we get back to normal programming.
Okay. Who is the main sponsor for Chicken Inn FC?
Luzwile. Name the sponsor or go front jersey Chicken Inn. You will also get yourself answer. Do the three things that we've said. I don't want to repeat. Let's get back to normal programming, gents. amangwanda hayi singaze sibamba anti kuningi kugcwele emgodleni ngale kubomenzi ngale. So besakhuluma usavele uthe ufuna ukuyipick up le ekaBhenji. uBhenji samuzwa wazikhulumela ngowakho umlomo ukuthi kulabanye abangani abamthandi sesibuya kuMasuthu then we continue. Ithathe bro.
Into ekhona vele i-Highlanders I doubt ukuthi izayenza something kumbe izaphambili as long izinto ze-boardroom lokhu siba le-interference when it comes to urana kwe-club ku-interfere lani le matches zika-coach. Yikho ngibona ngathi kuluhlupho. Yikho ubona even lo Mafu wazwa wathi even Jesus cannot coach Highlanders. Ubona ngathi kwasokutheni? Yeah. So i-boardroom maybe yibo abasebenjani. Abama-ekhoni bayikhanya ngathi bayaviringitha. But asazi ukuthi indaba zabo khona ngale bazaze bezisolve nini because into yangikhona iya-affect. Kumbe abamnike phela uMaruaru ithuba lwaleli esayina amaZambian yakhe maybe yabo yehlohla kumbe yabo phile amagate.
Laphana issue bengani ufuna ukuregister
Kulama players yena owabonayo wa-identify.
akhona
Okunye futhi singawukhangela uMaruaru Tebu uyavela wathola sokule team. So yena maybe kalabo vela abakha abantu kwapha. So omunye assistant coach kwaphana maybe ngiyomnikazi we team.
mana sinike abanikazi be-team uthini ngalolu udaba Masuthu? Because sibonile ile draw le Platinum 0-0 lahamba la draw le Scotland 2-2 indlela edlala ngayo. Is it affected by what coach was saying okhulunywa nguSavereza lawo lomunye umbono oseceleni?
Yeah, like ama-draws a-Highlander ase-affecte kakhulu ama-fans ayiwo abasekeli be-Highlanders abathanda i-Highlanders kakhulu. Cause ngeke sijonge boardroom vele boardroom yonke executive ayikho total. Even kusase nguKhayindu abantu bebengafuni kwabuya uDijong abantu bebengasayifuni. They were fed up the way abarana ngakhona i-boardroom ye-Highlanders. We are fed up vele abasafuneki. Lami ngizafaka lo mbono none other the list like ubutho all say uMaruaru ngendlela yena angene ngayo angithi we all know ukuthi ibhache alihlohlo. We all know uMaruaru ufice kulo Senong then kwangani kuba ngokuyikhuwo okuncane kwangena uMaruaru nje then wareza ama expectations zethu ukuthi since sebexotshelwe ucoach yena wasengenile lathi ku 100 years we expecting something that is better. So sesibona ama-draw each and every draw even kuma-bets now sigqoke i-lucky bets I don't mbona la ku-lucky bets ambona ukuthi i-Highlanders bayifaka ku-fixture cause it's an obvious money yodwa ama-Nigeria bathi ibhanka ngoze vele isiyibhanka vele ukuthi draw it's a Highlanders a draw yabona. So like uMaruaru kaka-prove next like what I'm saying ukuthi asali bamsupporteja maybe bamsupport la sezowaphumela phambili into bamsupporteja. But in terms of ama-substitution is no in terms of selecting of team lawe pika ongani kungcono cause ungapika ukuthi maybe like bakungenisa uManinji abantu abaningi they know ukuthi uManinji can't even hold the ball. So umuntu ongaholdi ibhola we expect angeke sim-expect ukuthi uzakora kumbe uzapasa abanye abantu because ufailile vele uhold ibhola which means kalazi but lokho limpika then ama-substitution wakhe ama-substitution none akungenelani le supportage usupportaja vele like ngendlela angena ngayo ama-substitution is poor.
Mina maybe ngiya uLdiva Savereza sike sakukhuluma lokhu before even singena i-Highlanders engiyibukelini igame yePlatinum ukufaka uMahachi left back Killer uMahachi is proved maybe experience le ndlela i-Highlander edlala ngayo ibhola building from the back trying to create even igame ye-Scotland we also they created upasiwe uReason he missed okunye singakhala majensi but ibhola siyalibukela. Mina what I'm saying is Islanders even konke khona okukhulunywayo ukuthi hey what but i-team is playing brilliantly, is proving ukuthi iyadlala. It's only a matter maybe of agree ngivumelana la uMarwan. Register that striker maybe yena ukuthi akubone training is different from what uReason lo manager abakuyenza, because mbonile uReason ukhuthile 1v1 ayikhona leyana yokuthi 1v1 lo keeper umaninja libuyile libhora uyehle kumisa ukeeper walithatha enyaweni. Those are chances Islanders could have won that game. ABF same thing, Islanders is playing, building from the back, playing nice football, ibhora phansi, but phambili gents yikho ucoach akhulume ngakho.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I think ilokhu zenini, I always say this and in each and every time nxa ukuthi khona sidlala ama games ethu sangadlale kahle, especially lapho ref nxa bengarefulanga kahle ukuthi uref usikhostile, then bese sibuza umbuzo ukuthi thina siyenzeni
Thank you.
to show if for it ukuthi uref ulikhostile. So if nxa ningayenzanga lutho, then you cannot complain about the ref. We are complaining about the executive, the sabotage, but yena uMarwaro yenzeni.
Exactly.
Iko also kubuya khona ipoint ekhulunywa ngubani ngu-Arch ukuthi khona he has tried to play, even njengoba he is now convicted uma-Arch to become a left back.
Left back. He's playing well.
He's playing well. Most forwards maningi kulabo Henry Marco I can mention, but a few who were changed to become map defenders and they did well. Now he's trying to show ukuthi khona he's lacking in those positions and he's now changing people. And phambili ngale I think akatholi umuntu ukuthi ikhiwa last time ngicine selitshintsha athaka ngumvelo belikhala futhi ngakho konke umlotsha sisutha umlotsha. It's because the executive is not providing money to buy. The coach is not there ukuthi keep imali esikhomeni sakhe ukuthi ethenga ama players. Ucoach ya nominate efuna lwana. Of course uMzambian ngizwa khona ukuthi i-clearance yakhe nganile ama challenges because unganithiwa ilisotha something like that.
Oh, okay.
Those are the rumors which I'm hearing, but let's say since a color kakadliwa, he's got something to pick up. No, I'm trying to do this from my own perspective.
Available for the longest of time.
For my own nginakhona ukendlako senzamile, but the help of the executive angiyitholi ukuthi ngithole lokho, or maybe sabotage from the bench ama assistant coaches akhe, we don't know. But yena sephumile, and sometimes the problem yonke abantu bayalenders ukuthi you always want ama results but don't look at the broader picture. Iyalenders yachaza ukubukela. They are playing good football. That's the coach. Now the coach needs something to aid for that. Pure kufuna then siqala sokumsola. That's where I can come in for upenji.
As you can aid strictly ngoba kunengi.
Carpet football bayadlala sibili Islanders, but okunyomeli kukhanyele ukuthi i-Islanders ku-league yagcina ukuwina vele last year August.
Exactly.
So ukuthi it's now ukuthi yikho kwakho i-problem
It's more strikers.
ingasaba nama-strikers. I-problem vele ayikho kuma-strikers. Kangathi i-problem le it's a way back lokhu zelini vele. But abazame kodwa bona ukuthi benjani. Inayiwindi lizavula bezama ukudinga i-leather strike.
Yikho ukuthi odezama ukuba lesilot to register i-striker or whatever player, but uMarwana nganufuna islike kodwa ukukhuluma ukuthi baphuze ukuthi i-process be fast track ebe boardroom bona.
But ibhora phela lidlala abantu abayi-11 alidlalwa ngumuntu oyi-1.
Yes.
So uMarwaru layo yakhala, but phela siyakwazi kumbe ukuthi phela siyakwazi ukuthi maybe ukuthi uMarwaru maybe ukuthi ma-draw ngendlela ayenza ngayo.
Sometimes ibhora lidlala ngabantu abangu-11, I understand, but ungathatha izicathulo lezi ungu-2 lezi ugqoke esika left ku right esika right ku left awuhambi kahle. So if there is a missing piece of a puzzle, you can force, but nxa kule gap you'll be just improvising so that you can have a way forward. So the partner is improvising. Oma Ninja, they have to try it and test it, or reason they're failing.
Because the other thing you should remember, this I think this was the second game. Maybe la usazophika ngoba
asikhulume ngicuzo madoda ibhatshadlo yabona nguReason uManinja baxotshiswa coach abaningi ku-Island asobantu abatsha ku-Island lapho
Mina yabona 7 draws
bebekhona
behlohla kodwa
bahlohla ngaye. Unga-check ama-states ezistrike amasudu.
Mina angila problem ngo-Reason, because uReason as Savreza said ukuthi uReason like this season ube ngani injury wathatha nje izolo yebo umisile kule day futhi wangena khona wangani uyamisa aseyala nje but so far abake betry ureason Marwaru ngabona ukuthi ilokhuzeni yakhe uMarwaru is there to prove a point nje uyakwazi ukuthi ungene yena ngesimafia ngesingunde ngesisigananda nje okay prove a point thina sokufunayo mfethu
Masuthu
esikufunayo we are tired ngama draws mfethu uyabona
yike ngutsho
uyabona manje silobuthongo nje sivela le asibhadalwa thina nje yabona sifuna i-victory yabona we are tired ngama draws nje
team elidlala ayifuni i-victory
i-team esidlala ayifuni i-victory nje as an coach nje uzwana buthoza kufanele ukuthi you are a chef nje ususe uchef atevele eqhathiwe wamsonduze leceleni nje then we expect more deliverance kuwe kumbe more delicious menu from you nje then wena ubusubuya ngama draws kuphela ngemboza kuphela this is imboza mfethu amfuna ukutshela amanga this is imboza we are tired and fed up uMarwaru kayekele zwana uyabona njengoma ninja seni zwala listen njengoma ninja nje uyehluleka lokumisa ibhora mfethu
yiko phela
akathaye another ebonke
akula yiko ufuna umzambile
maybe wepanikile uma ninja maybe wepanikile
lo mNigeria nje
ibhora lidlalwa ku training
ibhora lidlalwa ku training
coach ubona ku training ukuthi betola ama players then i-mistakes isenzakala e-ground ku match day so that is why uManinja efakwa egame
remember ngakhala mina ku broadcast la nje mfethu umuntu ongena esiyacoacha esiyahlala esiya receive imali yakhe at the end of the month at the end of the match ungcono mfethu kulomuntu osuka endlini ngedola lakhe lokugcina kungela mpuphe endlini esiyabukela usiyakwazi ukuthi sensiyabukela i-draw sengiseyarara sensiyabukela i-draw sengisesimabhora sensiyabukela i-draw no Marwaru must improve ngoba
into angafuna ukuyizwa yazi kuyini uMasuthu into angafuna ukuyivuma the reason lo Maninja bedlala akula abanye abangcono kulabo aso problem yakhe
aso problem kaMarwaru
aso problem kaMarwaru
uyabona mina zwana mina ngitho ngathi anila beef lo Marwaru angimzondi uMarwaru nje mina but uMarwaru nje mina personally mala ngisho mina personally wangiyenza ngaba lama more expectations ngaye wese we are turning 100 years we are wanting to celebrate ngathi chuthi maybe usenong bengaseze senze kahle 100 years manje uMarwaru now usefika waphushela usenong waphushela eceleni asiyalo waphushela eceleni nje mawuphushela omunye umuntu eceleni kuwe vese sithi swi chuthi
uzasele bhek kusenong
funa le mana sengiqeda
mana ngihle asibele bhek kusenong do you agree both agree with ama players asebenza lapha ukuchikela ukuzenini ku Islanders ngama players kasenong because uSanong wathi esayina ngoDecember baqalisa ukukhuluma ukuthi ngifuna this player wayikhuluma audio yakhe lenisayizwayo sonke lapha bathenga uMarwaru uthebuye akazange ethenga even iplayer eli1 kuchiyene la maybe thina kuchikenini we understand ukuthi ama players wonke ngakaTonde nxa sikuthi sifuna ukunika iblame sinika ublame uTonde because wazikhethela ama players akhe but kini uMarwaru kazikhethela ama players lawa
iplayer yathi uyikhethile ka register
iplayer ekhethile ayika register amaningi ama players ngabomkhokheli abantu bonke umongameli labana which are they are doing fine but khonoko ukuthi khona ama players awahlothi just 6 games give them time ama players like uthambani bona bo Drogba they could go younger for 9 10 11 games but you are not patient as Islanders
so let's move on
uWalandi khathesi uqale phansi that day wahlohla ngakwaLandi but ubese lesikhathi ngana wagcina ukuhlohla
kuyatholakala
ureason lo Maninja sebenga this week yona lesebengaqalisa
not patient why list ngapho draw ezinye ezichansi phela uziba patient ngapho 100 days
ezinye draw is better than lose phela
zwana akakhathelwanga kumbe abasunduzanga usenong to be patient
no sembonje asoze zivele zizwana so let's move on Jez
let's move on
ilog standing after ilog standing after Look, standing after the Easter football fiesta is as follows. Ongama team asadlele 6 games. Namuhle as we recording this episode and ingezi dlala le rentals. So there might be changes, but so far Cape United is still leading with 15 points, followed by Dynamos 14, Airdrop also 13 points. That's the top 3. The bottom 3 with triangle Agama le Manika triangle umenzo zayifaka vele lokho lapha. Islanders what was Islanders number 12 ile 12 ile 6 points Irelanders sitofile 6 points. So it happens get
Akhithi
Do you know ukuthi i-Highlanders ingawini next match yayo iya ku-9 points i-chicken ingadliwa iyalokhu ku-9 points i-Highlanders iqansile so it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's still early days, but bafuna win. You know, chomla bafuna win. Hayi
unbeaten run kodwa. Unbeaten run
abasoze beva chance kulama games ka Division 1 also played 2 minutes 3 minutes kule team engitholile esengiyithande sendle ama team ayi2 ku Division 1 try this morning try good morning
FC.
good morning FC sendle good morning FC le Deportivo la Murambi good morning ku Central Region ibidlale 2 yawina 2 iyangichaza team la then kule Gwanda Pirates igqoka black and white isi play 2 drawn 2 consistent angazi ukuthi kucho that's the aba results Central Region. Then Southern Region ama team lawo adlalile during Easter. Inkai is continuing good form. Eastern Region also they played. Means what you do uzafaka ama results Division 1 samnikeza umenze awafake lapha abantu babone but bemfuna ukuthi indlule ukuthi sende team eyinye good morning sende good morning le Deportivo la Murambinda eGwanda bekule derby idraw ile super strikers lana mbona labanye abayilindazi bambili kuyayibukela ama omgijimi bambili kuyayibukela. So let's look at the fixtures. Abasasiphanga kum comment section ukuthi so siya continue ngebizo lethu. Feeling lucky with lucky bets. I section esesingena kiyo. It's lucky time man. Oh, it's lucky time with lucky bets. Which one is which one? Lucky time, feeling lucky or lucky time with lucky bets?
Lucky time.
Lucky time with lucky bets. So let's look at match day 7, which is coming up this weekend. We've got games on Saturday, 11 April. FC Hunters taking on Cape United, Rufaro.
Capes straight.
Win Capes.
And the Capes are away.
Draw. Hunters is either they draw or they lose. Abakaphela perform kuhle see I think bale win one.
I think I'll give this one to Cape United. Then we've got Imoz taking on Simbapora Engoni. Next fixture
is going to take that one. Sihlale kakhulu ngawina.
Straight win Emos.
Straight win Emos or win or draw Mos. Win or draw Mos.
ngokudliwa kweSimbapora ku home iDynamos I think iyabifuna something then kule first win ye Imozi idle Agama ibepencisa ipick form. I'll give this one mina ngathi draw ngolalela mina ngathi draw. Then we've got iya draw kule Agama.
Draw straight. Ayibuzwa le.
Agama la liyayithanda ukuthi akula dini la.
I like great. Yeah.
Aspire.
But it's quite fun. Agama phela is here to win and asazi ukuthi izaqalisela
uthi izajuma Agama
singayijuma even ya draw kuyona la abantu besarewela
le mani kaboni ya draw izobhuru bethu. Then we've got Ingezi taking on iTriangle eBaobab.
Ngezi straight akuvuzwa.
Chitembe kavuma izokumanya. I'll say draw.
Manika.
Ngezi Triangle. Mine kuyayithanda well draw is.
I think Ingezi is going to take it. Ingezi plays good football.
Win Ingezi.
Mina I said draw. Tell one chicken in Ascot.
Lucky is the sponsor.
Now tell one chicken.
Straight win say for tell one. And Jalong have opposite Kenin, but I less is win is tell one.
I'm very biased on this one, obviously. You know
Yeah, I wanna very good. I think I'll say draw.
I saw 2-1.
I'll say draw.
2-1 in favor of tell one.
Okay.
Yobi chicken in kind look ihlohla ma 1 kuphela tell one phela yahlohla wesi tell one until be warm.
Then we've got Bulawayo Chiefs le Scotland eBF. Mana simchiu putas.
3-1.
Give
In
away
favor of
that.
Scotland. Scotland should have 3 villain.
Straight draw, but hey, mina ngihamba ngeBulawayo Chiefs straight draw.
I think Scotland will take this one. Scoreline is us. Then Sunday we've got the Islanders Karipi Papa Fields.
First win for Islanders.
Islanders win.
Another draw. Another draw. Mfunja ma. Andale kathi another draw.
Dynamos Platinum Erufaro.
Dynamos win.
Lama will say Dynamos.
Dynamos.
Mina ku Islander le lokhu sisonke le Karipi.
Another draw.
Then last game of match day 7 is Manica Diamonds the Rentals.
First win for
A
Manica
Greenfield.
Diamonds.
Yeah.
First win for Manica Diamonds.
It draw there.
Draw futhi lamle.
I think I'll go with you, Buto. I think I'll go with you. So those are the fixtures coming up weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to like, subscribe, share also. Then engage us in the comment section. We would like to hear your views, your opinions. Please remember the competition is running. You win yourself goodies. Silibonisile salitshengisa akakhona, it's not a dummy, into ezikhona. Ungawina uzifakele laphana, will tell nxa uwinile, come and collect at Dep 3 Studios khona lapha koBulawayo. Please, we would like to thank our partners, that is Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies, also Lucky Bets, and remember we've got also a Sports Zone, a supplier nice things, and also our friends of the show from day one, Okuhle Designs. I think, guys, it has been an amazing episode. Last words, we see Vali. Last words, quickly.
Yeah. Last words is we're about to celebrate our independence as well. Let's drive safe in the roads there. We still need you. We need our more fans in the stadiums. Just take care of your loved ones. Salithanda. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share, to follow. And you can also catch us on Wednesday every 1800 hours, 130 hours, school 3K TV. There is a program which runs there. God bless you.
Last words, Umnandi.
Dala njengoba sethanyele konke.
Last words,
My last words was
Mr. Draw, balanced diet.
ukuthi ama last words awu PSL abantu balithanda ibhora asicane lisehlisele intengo bakithi kuyayangisa ema stadiums lokhana siyacela 100% angazi siliguqele njani libuyele libuyele ku $3 lathi kuyukuthi ma chicken ima eBulawayo Chiefs soyidlala eScotland lathi abayayilenda sihambe siyebukela just khona kha siyacela angazi sihloniphe kangaka isigoqe njani bisilale phansi ngezisu sicela $3 bakithi siyacela lisehlisele.
On that note, see you next week, guys.